Genesis 1 describes three things that were never said to have been created anywhere in the Bible. They were just there at the beginning when God began to create. Hey everybody, I'm Dan McClellan. I'm a scholar of the Bible and religion. Most scholars these days believe that Genesis 1:1 is a temporal clause that is not describing an absolute beginning, but it's just saying when God began to create the heavens and the earth was welter and waste, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. So the earth, darkness, and the waters were already there when God began to create, and they are never described as being created. The light is created. A dome.
Did I miss?
Dan McClellan is not a Christian and is usually wrong about a lot of stuff. I mean, way off. And he's kind of wrong in this one, but he begs a good question, because in Genesis 1:1 it says, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. But then if you look, he says, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters in verse 6. God made the firmament, divided the waters in verse 7, and God called the firmament heaven. So if the firmament is heaven and it wasn't created until the second day, then you can see how he can make an argument that in Genesis 1:1, when it says that God created the heaven and the earth, what he's saying is like, it's just an introductory sentence. And then after that, it starts to describe what God did to create the heaven and the earth. The only problem is that once God put the waters gathered together in one place and let the dry land appear, he called the dry land earth. Now, if the dry land just appeared, it means it was already there. So if Genesis 1:1 is like this introductory clause, and it's not actually saying God created the heavens and the earth first, and then all of this is describing what happened after he created the heavens and the earth, then he has a point, right? It's because the firmament is heaven. That wasn't created till the second day, and the earth didn't appear until the third day. But again, there's scholars on both sides of that argument. So what do you think?